Onion, scientifically known as Allium cepa, is a widely cultivated vegetable belonging to the Allium genus, which also includes garlic, shallots, leeks, and chives. Here is some information about onions in English. Botanical description: onions are biennial plants, but are usually grown as annuals for their edible bulbs. They have hollow, tubular leaves and spherical underground bulbs composed of tightly packed layers. Cultivation: onions are cultivated in various regions worldwide, with different varieties adapted to different climates. They are typically grown from seeds, sets, small bulbs, or transplants. Onions require well-drained soil and full sun for optimal growth. Types of onions. Yellow onions. These are the most common type, with a strong flavor and a papery golden brown skin. Red onions. Characterized by their deep purple-red skin and mild to sweet flavor, they are often used raw in salads or sandwiches. White onions. These have a mild flavor and a white papery skin. They are commonly used in Mexican cuisine. Sweet onions. Varieties such as Vidalia, Walla Walla, and Maui are known for their high sugar content and mild flavor. Nutritional value. Onions are low in calories, but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. Additionally, they contain various sulfur compounds responsible for their characteristic flavor and aroma. Culinary uses. Onions are a versatile ingredient used in various cuisines worldwide. They can be eaten raw, cooked, or pickled. Onions are commonly used as a flavor base in soups, stews, sauces, and stir-fries. They can also be caramelized to enhance their sweetness or fried as onion rings. Health benefits. Onions have several health benefits attributed to their nutrient content and bioactive compounds. They may help lower blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and boost immune function. Some studies suggest that onions may also have anti-cancer properties. Storage. Whole onions should be stored in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place away from direct sunlight. Once cut, onions can be stored in the refrigerator for several days, preferably wrapped in plastic wrap or placed in a sealed container to prevent odor transfer. Overall, onions are not only a flavorful addition to various dishes, but also offer several health benefits, making them a valuable component of a balanced diet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.